So guys, for the first method, you're going to head it with search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to find Windows Installer. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows Installer. Here it is. Double click on it. You're going to click on Start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now after you've done that, you now want to click on Restart the service. You're going to restart the service. See if this works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you're going to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete that scan as well, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.